These are my latest sewing supplies. I got them from HESTAKIDS of HESTAKIDS Clothing and ARTCREST Accessories. I encourage you to patronize them. Hi everyone, I represent Advance Creations, and today I want to give a shout out to HESTAKIDS of HESTAKIDS Clothing and ARTCREST Accessories. I ordered some items from them and they did wonderfully well. I don't know them from Adam. I met them on Facebook and they have proved to me that it's not everybody that is selling online that is a scammer. I want to say a big thank you to the two of them because they delivered as they promised. They proved to me they are women of integrity. Here is my ring light. All the accessories are complete. I bought a rotary cutter, an extra blade. Here is the self-healing mat. This is what I can afford for now. It will still serve its purpose. I bought a ring of white paper. I also have my tripod stand. All the accessories are complete, and I want to encourage you out there to patronize HESTAKIDS and ARTCREST accessories. They are genuine.